This is a short tutorial on using Learning Express and WDT LibGuides to prepare for the Accuplacer. From WDT.edu website, you'll click on the menu here, choose Library, scroll down, and click on Research. The second link here where it says Learning Express, click on that, and then you'll want to click on Sign In and Register. And then register again, making sure that your institution that's showing says Western Dakota Tech. You'll want to fill out the information with the asterisks here, making sure that your password has at least 6 to 10 characters with no spaces. You don't need to fill out these last two options, and then click on Register. From the search box up here to get started, you can type in the word Accuplacer. As you can see, it shows you all the different options. Depending on what area you need to concentrate on, if this is the second time that you're taking the test, or it's your first time and you can just try a little bit of everything. So we'll start with practice test number 1 for arithmetic. Here you have a couple of different options to take the practice test. Practice is if you are actually taking the test. This one is so that you can check your answers as you go. So if this is the first time you're trying it, you may want to start with learner. So as you answer these questions, we'll just go ahead and choose the answer here. You can skip it, or you can say check my answer. And it explains the math needed in order to get to the right answer. So if you go through this as a learner and you answer all of your questions, checking the answers as you go, then when you're all said and done, you can say score my test. It'll tell you the number of questions and what you got correct and what you got wrong and what you skipped. And then it gives you recommendations of where to go next so that you can build on your skills. And this can be an actual ebook, this can be more tests and more tutorials. And that concludes Learning Express for Accuplacer. Next, we're going to learn about using other resources for Accuplacer studying and test prep through what's called WDT LibGuides. Again, from the WDT.edu homepage, you'll click on Menu. Again, click on Library. Scrolling down, and this time you're going to click on Become an Expert on a Topic. And this first link here that says WDT LibGuides, it's one of the second links here. This is our study page. If this is the second time that you're taking the test, these links can be very helpful. These are direct links to specific tests in Learning Express. If you have a mobile device, a phone, a tablet, you are able to use the official Accuplacer app. It's actually a browser-based testing area, but you can use this to check that out. And we do have a study guide that can be used within the library. The rest is just general information on Accuplacer testing. When you click on one of these links, if you've already registered as a user from the first part of this tutorial, then you should be able to just click on the link and go, and you can start taking the test.